So this is gonna be a real-time workout, so we want you guys to work out with us. Get up off the couch if you're watching us on the TV and go get your workout gear on, because we're coming back here in 5 seconds to put you through a 4-minute
Or you can wear a
Tabata
bikini and be
workout.
like me.
Or you put nothing on like me. I'm naked. All right, guys, we're ready. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We're doing 4 exercises twice. So we're doing 2 rounds of this, just like a traditional Tabata.
Oh yeah, and just so you know, I'm doing like the beginner modified, like postpartum version of this, okay?
Let's get to work. You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential